Hey guys, welcome back to my craziness. Today I wanted to be a little bit creative and I thought, well, so many of you wanted me to do more looks with the NYX Swear By It palette, but I am gonna maybe just see if I need a brighter yellow. I'm gonna dig into my Yes Please palette, that corner one, and then I also have the ColourPop shade I Like You, which is this beautiful mustardy shade. So I'm going to do like a yellow mustard kind of thing. So yeah, I know that I used the yellows with the greens once, but today I literally just want to go yellow because it seems like it's in. I've heard some people comment that they feel like yellow is making a comeback, so let's do that. It's spring and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this almost like lid shade, and I'm just gonna, not that I need to set, but I'm just gonna put that in my crease just to set any foundation or anything that's still there, just in case, because I'm gonna go in with a yellow immediately. So I want to say that it is very nicely done. Okay, so then I think I'm going to start off with the Yes Please palette because this shade Mischief is very yellow. It's like a bright yellow, whereas I think the ones in here, well, there is a bright yellow one as well, so maybe we must just try. Okay, let's try this one alone. So I'm going to go in with this yellow shade. It's got numbers at the back, but it's very confusing. So I'm going to start off with that yellow shade, and I'm just going to blend it above my crease, and yeah, just keep blending, blending, blending. So I'm going to blend and then build it up and blend some more. So I'm just going to forward through the process so you guys can see what I'm doing, but I don't keep you here for 2 hours while I'm blending. So as you guys can see, I've just blown it out. So now I'm going to do the same with the bottom lash line. Sorry. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've blown it out quite a lot. This is going to be very easy. I just want to keep it very natural, very spring, and yeah, just play around a bit. I'm going to go into, I think, this mustardy yellow color. Oh, let me just swatch that greeny kind of. Now let's go in with a mustardy shade on the outer corner, just to intensify the look a bit color wise, because I think that could look quite beautiful. I don't think the ColourPop did much on that lid now, so I'm just gonna blend this orangey mustardy color into my lid and my outer corner. Okay, now I'm going to go in with that same orange and just intensify the outer edge of my lash line, lower lash line. I still want to keep some of the yellow, but I just want to have like a pop of orange. These colors are so pigmented, guys. So this is where we are currently at. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to draw myself a liner. Okay, I'm going to attempt this one. I haven't used this Essence Dip Eyeliner before. I normally use the one with a little brush. So yeah, let me just clean up a little bit of fallout that there was, which I'm very surprised by because there wasn't much fallout. Oh, this thing is making me very nervous. Okay. So I'm going to go in with my Kohl eyeliner and just tight line my top waterline, just to define the eyes a bit. I'm not going to make a wing with my eyeliner. And then I'm going to tight line the waterline. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see, but I do it like this. I know it looks rough. And I'm just gonna go in with a smudging brush and smudge out that black eyeliner just a little bit. I find that if I do this, it doesn't look so harsh, like you've just drawn a pencil on your waterline. So I just smudge it out on the bottom and then I put some more on. See the difference? I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but this waterline and this waterline looks like a pencil drawing. It always looks so harsh. So that's why I just smudge it out a bit. And then I just go in with more until you're happy. And you just keep smudging it. And if you think that it's enough and you now just want to tight line, then it's fine. Then you leave it there. Sorry that my head is completely out of the camera. But sure. So then I just go in again and smudge a bit on both sides. And yeah, for me it gives very like a soft, oh, where's this brush now? So I think I'm just going to go in with some of this yellowy color there. It's like a metallic, and just put a little bit on my finger and just touch it there on the inner corner, just to give some, yeah, that looks nice, just to give a little bit of shimmer. I know I should have probably done this before I did the eyeliner, but I actually forgot. It's a beautiful color. It's almost like a dirty yellow, dirty yellow. There we go. And then I'm just going to blend in here and just soften it up. And we can see, oh, that looks pretty. Okay, now we're going to go in with something just in the inner corner. Okay, and I'm just going to spritz this, and I'm actually going to go into, let's see what I'm going to go into. This pinkyish shimmer shade there, and I'm just gonna put that on my inner corner. Oh, it's very nice. It actually makes it look a bit goldish. Maybe I must just pull in the glitter a bit. Okay, and then I'm going to use that same shade just on my brow bone a little bit to highlight. Darling. I know it gives like a yellowy, which I'm actually kind of loving. This blown out look. Sorry guys, I'm with the mirror in your way again. And then I'm just going to fix my brows and brush them a bit. And and just fill in a little bit, because this look is a bit dramatic. I kind of like the rough bushy look these days, so I don't do much to them except for brush and just fill in a little bit. And then I just take some of the NYX Control Freak mascara. It's clear. Oh, sorry. Just to brush through them and make them stand the way I want to. Other side. There we go. Okay, so now for the rest of my face. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with my Becca Be a Light palette. And I'm going to use the bronzer. This is the light one. I think there's a medium one as well. I'm just going to use the bronzer basically to carve my cheeks. And then I take the darker shade, actually, which is like a powder like a face powder. And I do my bronzer with that. So this is for contouring. I'm talking in circles today. Oh, guys, my foundation is not working for me for today. Okay. And then after contouring now, I'm just going to go in with this almost corally shade in this new NARS palette. Or it's new for me because I just bought it. And then I'm literally just going to put a little bit of it on my cheeks. I want a very subtly blush to do, because the eyes are already so bright. So yeah, I think that's beautiful. Very natural. And then I'm going to go into my OFRA Glow Up palette. This is my absolute favorite palette. Then we will see what I'm going to use. Okay, let's use the Star Island. I love Star Island. Because I'm so pale, it just works so well for me. And I mean OFRA blushes. Oh my goodness, guys. So pretty. Okay, and then before I forget, I'm just going to put some mascara on. So this is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I'm literally just going, because I do have fake lashes on, so I'm just going to touch a little bit so my own lashes just, I don't want to have it clumping up. I literally just want to lift it a bit in a very natural way. I'm not even going to dunk back. I'm just going to go directly into the other one, or the side. Okay, and then the lower lash line, or lashes. And then we're almost done. Now we only just have to do lippies. Now I think the only thing that'll really look nice with this is something brown. So let's take the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. I don't know what shade this is. Stepping Out, I think. So I'm going to put a bit of that on. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm just going to spritz my face a bit. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. I did try something different. My eyeliner needs some work, but I'm getting there, guys. So let me know what you guys think down below, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if you want to see more looks and things. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Till next time, bye.